Hi there, meteorologist Pamela Gardner. Hazy, hot, and humid weather back in the forecast for Labor Day, although it's not going to be extreme like last week. We will still have 90-plus degree high temperatures, but not quite as bad with the heat index. I'll show you those numbers in a second. Not a lot of rain for this week either. There is a chance for a couple storms on Tuesday, again on Thursday as well. And then we have refreshing air back for next weekend. High temperatures in the 70s, feeling more like September. But it feels like the middle of summer, hot and humid again for tomorrow, as high temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s, heat index between 95 and 100, and we have a heat advisory away from the coastline. This includes Worcester, this includes Middleborough, this includes Providence, and it is just going to be another soupy day for us. Luckily, most of us have the day off for Labor Day, for the holiday, so hopefully you're by a body of water or at least spending time in the air conditioning. Overnight lows tonight in the 60s and 70s. No heat advisory just yet until we get into the day tomorrow. Then the heat advisory starts at noon. It lasts through Tuesday, 6 o'clock, because Tuesday is also going to be hot. Tomorrow's high temperatures low to mid 90s inland and along the coast, the south coast, the Cape, the islands, slightly cooler as we get that south-southwest wind. So temperatures in the low to mid 80s, 76 degrees on Nantucket. That is going to feel fantastic. Heat index temperatures, a real feel forecast near 100 degrees in many communities. This is where the heat could be dangerous for those who do not have air conditioning or elderly folks, as well as pets outside. Want to bring them indoors or let them cool off at least somehow. Dew point temperatures will be elevated overnight into definitely tomorrow afternoon. Low 70s for those dew point temperatures and still tracking some upper 60s for dew points on Tuesday. Interesting thing we're watching is the potential for a backdoor cold front on Tuesday. So Monday we have that dominant south-southwest wind. Temperatures soar into the low 90s and we will still have some very humid conditions. There's a chance of a brief pop-up shower out to the west across the interior too. Tuesday morning we start off warm and muggy, and then once we get into the afternoon hours we see that wind direction changes coming onshore, and that'll help to cool temperatures off along the coast to near 80 degrees, while inland you'll be in the 90s, but it's really a big question how far inland does that backdoor cold front stretch, and along that boundary that could trigger an isolated shower or thunderstorm. But it's really the heat and humidity that dominates the weather forecast for the next week. Big cool down could be in the forecast for Friday and next weekend as a jet stream slowly positions itself a little bit farther south. Something we'll be watching for sure. Here's your 7-day forecast. More 90s Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday 86, slightly less humid. Thursday we're back up to the 90s. Then a real cold front pushes through Friday into Saturday, and we might have some lingering showers for the first part of next weekend.